Hello everyone, welcome to a new practice session on SolidWorks. Today's practice it is about to create this being that you see on the right side of my screen. It is simple, you will see some simple features and you also see some advanced features. So let's first start by creating the beam and then add the holes and the remaining features. Okay, select the right plane and start drawing a cyclone of 155 millimeters. Okay, which I will extrude as a mid-plane with a mid-plane extrusion with depth of 2 meters and 100 millimeters. Okay, now I have to create two sketches to apply the loft surface, the loft feature. So first I create the cycle of 125 millimeters. The second sketch, the second cycle will stand on a surface of that is distant of 125 millimeters with respect to this surface 125 millimeters. Okay, on which I will draw another cycle of 70 millimeters. Okay, I need to make sure it is coincident with the center. Okay, the origin. I exit and now I apply my boss base extrusion. Okay, let me select the second one and try to align those 2 points. More or less they are. Okay, now the feature is done. Let me hide the planes. I don't like to have those planes on my interface. Okay, we will continue with these two remaining sections. Okay, one cycle is 60 millimeter with an extrusion depth of 130 millimeters. Okay, yeah, the right direction. And lastly, another one of 55 millimeters with an extrusion depth of 155 millimeters. Okay, now to complete my draw, I have to mirror it with respect to the right plane. I select then the right plane and I press OK, and here is done. Okay, now I need to draw a spiral which will be the direction of the extrusion and the cut, excuse me, the direction of the cut, a swept cut, and also that will be the direction of our curve drawing pattern. So I have to go to helix and spiral. I select the surface, I convert entity, this one. Okay, this is the base profile of my spiral. Okay, and then I apply the parameters. The start angle is 90 degree here and vertical with respect to the origin. Height, we select defined by height and revolution. The height it is 2100 millimeters and the revolution it is quarter revolution. All right. Okay. Oh, we have the wrong direction. No. Yeah, reverse direction. Okay. Let's press OK. Now we have to apply first the holes. We will need the hole wizard to apply our holes. Let's define it. Okay, let me zoom. Okay, as you see, we have 66 holes equally spaced on an helical curve. It is a tap hole, straight tap hole, and symmetric with it is an M8 per 1.25. The depth with respect to the outermost cycle, it is 30 millimeters. Okay, and the depth of the drill, the thread, it is 20 millimeters. Okay, everything is set. Now let's go to my interface to position the cycle. It has to lie on the spiral. Okay, and now I have to make the distance 20. No, let me create a point and apply the distance. Yeah, the point should be this one, and then I apply the distance, which is 20. Yeah, 20. All right, you see it is fully defined. Let's one more point to locate the hole. Okay, I should put it here. Why it's not? On surface. Okay, let us again this point. Yeah, it's already coincident with the profile. Okay, now I add the 20 millimeter distance. Okay, and it's fully defined. Now I one or more locate the hole and edge. Hole will not be created for this point, or no valid edge for cosmetic thread created and found. Just a simple error of the, yeah, you can really see the thread. Okay, now I need to add the curve driving pattern. So I go to linear to the pattern and select curve driving pattern. The pattern direction will be my helix, my spiral. Let's select 66 equal spacing. The feature, it is the thread, and we have to make it the normal to the face of the cylinder. All right. One thing, yeah, we have to skip this last instance. As you can see, it's not okay this way. Instance to keep. Let's open this text area and select the dot, this dot, to skip this one. As you can see, it is the 66 item that I skipped, and let's press OK, and now it is defined, properly defined. Another thing, it is to apply this feature, this whole one, which is here. You can see, we can better see here. Okay, select this plane and draw the feature. First the center line. Okay, and the profile. Convert entity. Okay, the outermost cycle, and trim the unnecessary part. Now let's apply the dimension with respect to the center line. We have here 12. Here and not here we have 9. Here we have 3. And this one is 20. Okay, why is not fully defined? Okay, this one is not horizontal. Let's apply the horizontal relationship. Okay, now it's fully defined. We can exit the sketch. Oh no, we have to fix it. It's not a closed sketch. Let's convert the entity again. Okay, I have to make this one lie on the circle coincident. Okay. Let's do the dimensioning again because there's something not going on well. Okay, let's apply again the dimensions. Here I have 9. Okay, this one is 12. Okay, no, this one is what's not going on well. Okay, this is the problem. All right, now we can add the dimensions. We have 3 here. This one has to be horizontal. Okay. Now we trim the unnecessary part. Okay, this is well completely defined, fully defined. And with this sketch, we will apply the swept cut. And the profile, the direction, it is the same. Tilt our spiral. And press OK. Now it is well done. Our cut is done. We can apply now another pattern, a circular pattern. So we'll go here, circular pattern, select it, the direction will be the center of the cylinder. So let's make it shown the axis, make sure the axis and select the axis. Okay, 180 degrees. The feature will be the cut, the curve pattern. Okay, and the holes, the top hole. Okay, and now let's press OK for the circular pattern. Let's wait this take time. Okay, we can hide again the axis. Okay, now our feature is done. You can see that here it is really symmetric. There's a profile of the whole thread. Okay, now it is done. You have completed the tutorial. Thank you guys for listening to the lesson, to the practice. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have any doubt, any comment, put it on the comment section and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.